Imagine standing at the summit of the largest volcano on Earth, feeling the weight of its history and the uncertainty of its future. Mauna Loa, a behemoth of a volcano on the big island of Hawaii, has been relatively quiet over the past month. But the United States Geological Survey, USGS, is always on the lookout for signs of unrest. Recently, a team from the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory visited the summit area to perform some much-needed maintenance on their monitoring network. But here's where it gets interesting. The team didn't just replace some batteries and call it a day. They upgraded and installed new monitoring webcams, installed new antennas, and replaced solar panels that had been damaged during winter storms. This upgrade is crucial in helping scientists keep a close eye on the volcano's activity, especially since Mauna Loa is among the most active volcanoes on the planet. In fact, Mauna Loa has erupted 34 times since its first well-documented historical eruption in 1843, producing large voluminous flows of basalt that have reached the ocean 8 times since 1868. During the 1984 eruption, a lava flow came within 4.5 miles of Hilo, the largest population center on the island, and in 2022, lava flows came to within 1.7 miles of the Daniel K. Inouye Highway, Saddle Road. With such a propensity to produce large flows, it's no wonder the USGS is always on high alert. But what's really going on beneath the surface of Mauna Loa? Last week, the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory issued its monthly update, reporting a 34% increase in seismicity over the previous month. While earthquake clustering under Mauna Loa's upper southwest rift zone dissipated this month, there was an increase in small events dispersed deeper under the volcano. It's a complex and ever-changing situation, and scientists are working hard to stay on top of it. And this is the part most people miss. Mauna Loa is not just a volcano, it's a complex system with a rich history and a profound impact on the surrounding environment. By studying Mauna Loa, scientists can gain insights into the Earth's internal processes and the dynamics of volcanic eruptions. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about our planet and its many mysteries. So, what do you think? Are we doing enough to monitor and prepare for volcanic eruptions like Mauna Loa's? Should we be investing more in volcano research and emergency preparedness? Share your thoughts in the comments below.